Here we go, guys. Today's the big day. I hope I make it through this. This doesn't show the steepness, but there's going to be a lot of holding chains on the side of cliff faces. And, yeah. 4-hour hike, straight up hills sometimes. 1,500 feet up in elevation and drop-offs of 1,000 feet. People have died on this trail. Seriously. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but there's your stat right there. Since 2004, 7 people have died on this trail. Nothing to worry about, right? Yes! Look at that. Oh boy. So actually we've got to hike 2.5 miles till we get to the start of Angel's Landing. So this is just for fun right now. Everybody with their fancy walking sticks. Man, I can't bring walking sticks. I got one hand on the camera, one hand's gonna be clenched on that chain. What a beautiful park. I am just amazed. So I'm covered in sunscreen. I brought sunscreen and I got 3 bottles of water. We'll see. So as you can see behind me, we're getting to the switchbacks so we can get way, way up in the elevation right now. Look at this view off behind me. Yeah. Put the camera away for a little bit and do some climbing, get back to when scenery changes. That's official, guys. I am really out of shape. Ooh, pricklies. We're up here, but we still got a ways to go. There's the Virgin River that I started at down there. And I keep hearing voices. They're like... You guys, check out this friendly guy here. Little squirrel here just posing for me. How you doing, buddy? He's really letting me get close to him. Wow. Hey, buddy. Just chilling here. Yeah? Alright. Enjoy your day, dude. Think of it this way, though. If I did this every day, I'd lose some weight. I would definitely. Oh, they tricked us now. This is not the top. This whole time I thought this was the top because it disappears. But now, we're gonna cut through between these 2 mountains and go the other side of the mountain. Where is everybody? Huh. Now we'll cross over the other mountain. Hear voices finally. It's really pretty though here. Look at these rock formations. It's really weird, huh? Strange. Tell you what, it's starting to get pretty at least. These switchbacks are getting steeper and steeper. But you sure get to see some really pretty nature once you get up here. No clue how much longer. It's just amazing how steep these switchbacks are. Whew. But look at these views. Wow. A good view of some of the switchbacks I've been doing as they continue to come up them here. Oh. I think we have finally arrived at the top of the grotto here.
We're gonna do it.
I guess this is where we take a break. Right here by this massive 1,000-foot drop-off. What do you think? Just hang out here by the edge for a little bit, catch my breath. So I'm gonna finish off a couple more bottles of water, then we're gonna start heading over to Angel's Landing over there. It's kind of busy right now and there's a wait, but I think it'll be worth the wait. I put an ice pack in my backpack too. Keep the water cold, keep my back cold. Alright, my lunch break is over. Again, I'm standing at one of these cliffs. It's funny because usually parks have big, huge bars. That's death right there. So, okay, see that? That is death, everybody. They didn't even put warning signs. Well, I guess they did. They said 7 people have died, so okay. And the sand's kind of slippery on the rock. Oh boy. All right, no time like the present. Yeah, so I just want to try it. I don't want to do the whole thing because it just goes and go. As a matter of fact, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, there's people up there too. We're not gonna be doing all that though. So you know it's gonna be bad if they provide a chain for you to grab so you don't lose your footing here as we climb up here. I don't know if it's scarier on the way up or the way down. To give you an idea of how steep this is, the camera's level right now. And if I pan back this way and go up, it's like straight up. I've never seen anything like this at a national park. Of course, I'm not much of a hiker. Yep, look at that view. Oh man. Oh geez. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, well, that's it for me, guys. There's 2 things going on. 1, I'm exhausted. 2, it's too busy, so you gotta sit and wait for people to go by. But I got to see some great views. I'm gonna head back down the mountain. And made it back. It's 4 p.m. I started out at 8:30, so it definitely took me more than 4 hours today, like they said. But I'm down here at the river behind my campsite. Oh my gosh, that is cold. That's cold. Holy cow. I'll bet it's snow-fed. That's about as much as I want to get in the water right now. And this is it for the rest of the day for me, so dilly dilly. I spend one more night here, and then tomorrow. Actually, probably, we'll see. I may dink around tomorrow, but you guys will see a video from me in a couple days, either way, no matter where I end up. But I'm kind of heading north again, because it's starting to warm up. It's not going to be like this up in Wyoming next week, but Lincoln Highway awaits, and I got a really good reset here. This was a lot of fun. So, hang tight, guys. Hope you enjoyed Zion National Park. It has quickly jumped into my #1 favorite national park in the country. Sorry, Arches. But yeah, you guys got to try it out. And you got to camp here. Don't just come here in the daytime. Definitely try to get a campsite. All right, guys, have a good day. Jackson, I'll see you in a couple days on the road. Bye-bye. Nearly forgot to show you my new magnet. It is unlike any other national park magnet I've got in the past. It is 3-dimensional with layers, but it's a wood magnet. It's wood and painted. Zion National Park. And I think the colors are very accurate. So, yeah. Pop that guy up on my Lincoln Highway collection there. Sweet. A friendly reminder from Jackson and I, don't forget to order your Don't Be a Tater Hater t-shirt, sweater, or hoodie. Available for a limited time. Dark colors are also available. Look in the video description below this video for more details.